Beachfront. Sawadee. So today is the review of the Lamai Coconut Beach Resort. And I will show you inside the bungalow how much it is at the end of the video, how much is the room upstairs on the building. Very nice sea view room. Bungalow is really beautiful here. They have also a swimming pool. You can have an access directly to the beach. Now let's go back. To the swimming pool, and let's take a look. You can go straight to the beach. Very nice place in the center of Lamai. And now let's take a look at the swimming pool. Beautiful. Now we'll show you the room upstairs. How much it is. And now let's go take a look at the room and also inside the bungalow, and I will tell you how much it is per night. And now let's take a look at the room. That was the bungalow there, now the room. Very big room. Very nice bathroom. Oh, big bath in the bathroom. It's very nice. Safety box. Very big room. And the view, it's amazing. Amazing view. And the swimming pool. View on the mountain. Very nice sea view. And downstairs you have the bungalow. The terrace is very big. Huge terrace. And the price is 1,500 baht for one night. They always tell me that if you stay longer, they can give you a little discount. Every hotel is the same principle here. The more you stay, the more you can get a good price. Now let's go back to the compound of the hotel. Now this is the balcony. So you have an access straight to the beach, which is just here. You can go from here, here. Very nice bungalow. Big balcony. Big terrace, aircon. Safe deposit and a big bathroom. Very nice place. And this bungalow, how much is it for one night?
1,300 baht.
1,300 baht. And straight on the beach. And the bungalow on the beach is the same price?
1,500.
1,500 baht, the one straight on the beach. So that was the room and the bungalow, as you can see. Very nice place. And let's go back to the beach. Lamai Coconuts Beach Resort, here in the center of Lamai.